Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. The festive season is around the corner, and one tribe that knows how to celebrate homecoming is the Igbos. When it comes to um August break, Yam festival, Christmas festival, Easter break, you usually see the Igbos travel in numbers, either from wherever they found themselves in down to the southeast. They do not joke with homecoming. Well, as they speak, some southeastern governors have decided to tell the Igbos roundabouts in diaspora in within Nigeria that spirit should not die down. That spirit should be very high, as plans are on ground over this. Well, it has generated a lot of reactions over this, having known that, knowing the fact that the activities of UGM is really moving unabated. Don't forget that some days back, some set of persons have decided to declare a Monday sit at home as Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's Day. They are renaming it to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's Day. So you now see that there's actually too much at stake in this matter. Before we go into the news report to find out exactly what is going on in the Southeast and Imo State in particular, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, the governor of Imo State, that's Governor Hope Uzodinma, has urged President Igbos in the diaspora to come home for Christmas despite the rising insecurity in the southeast region. The governor gave the assurance at the 2021 Imo Cultural Day celebrations organized by Imo Towns Development Association Lagos, that's ISTDAL, on Sunday, November 14, 2021. Governor Zodima, represented by the Commissioner for Information and Strategy, Declan Emulumba, said Igbos in the diaspora will be amazed at the massive infrastructural development in Imo State when they return home for Christmas. The governor urged Igbos living outside the southeast to shun the propaganda and rumors that the region is not secure at this moment. He added that the situation had been brought under control. This is serious. So, well, in recent times, the southeast region has been known for chaos for security agents. An unknown UGM suspected to be um, IPOB members, suspected to be IPOB member, I guess is alleged. Dozens of people, including security agents, have been brought down in the region in the last 7 months. The southeast is dominated by Christians, and the region is usually very busy during the Yuletide period. Many indigenes living outside the region always return home during this period. And this year's Yuletide may be different in the region due to insecurity. The government and security agencies have tried their best to restore peace in the region. The Nigerian Army recently launched Exercise Golden Dawn to combat insecurity in the region, while the people of the Southeast must work with security agents to restore peace in the region before Christmas. Igbos living in diaspora will only return home if there is improvement in security in the southeast before December. This has sparked a lot of reactions. We're going to look at cross section of the reactions before we look at the analysis. Really, this one, Nigerians are getting really high. They're getting really very angry. Honestly, this one here is, look at, this man does not know what he's saying. This one here is saying, you didn't say anything about the headers that invaded the state during Anambra election, and you're asking Imolite to come home so you and your senior man will bring us all down, Abi. It's all right. This is serious. So this one here is saying, we have failed. They should come home so you can get them down in Bogi, Abi. This one here says, Uzodema, Holy Ghost fire. This one here says, Your Excellency, Ndibo do not need invitation to perform the annual ritual. Honestly, when it comes to the issue of traveling home, no, they don't play with it. What this young man said is very correct. It's called annual ritual, truly. They don't miss it, no matter how. Instead, they rather travel on if the situation is so tight, even if it's 23rd, if that's the light flight, they will take it. It's that wonderful. They don't miss home. Oh. Honestly, there's this love they have for home. Even if their houses in the, who says They have one of the finest houses you can think of. Sometimes if you see some edifices they have kept there, nobody's living inside. But during Christmas, that's when you know that they have men. They come from every part of the world to make it an interesting one. Well, this one here is saying, so you and your master can start again, Abby. This one here is saying, don't ever try coming back during the Yuletide if you love yourself, oh, because your safety is not assured. Because he has Imo State has been okay, because he has made Imo State militarized. This one here is saying, this is risky. Beware, Igbos in diaspora. Your safety is not guaranteed. A word is enough for the wise. Hope Uzodinma has made things happen. Many of them are languishing in police custody and prisons in Imo State. This is serious. This is strong, strong words. This one here is saying, have Imo people agreed that the governor is okay, take that again. Say, have Imo people agreed that the Supreme Court governor is their governor that warrant them coming for Christmas? This one here is saying, hey, this man is joking. Oh. This one here is saying, Chineke, okay, now I will not take that. That's more very wonderful. This one here is saying, come where? Imo State. For where? Who want die? Imo State that is now a militarized zone. Anybody going there this Christmas is risking his dear life. If traditional rulers are not safe, who is the common man? The governor is not even safe, talk less of the ordinary man. Unless Mazen Alkano is released, nowhere safe in South, in East Central State. Chuk- Ekuchakwalam as in me, as in I finished talking. All right, a lot of people are talking here, honestly, and all of them are actually saying almost the same thing, and that coming home is not wise. Just in the fact that some days back, some weeks back, they've recorded a lot of. Look at what happened to the monarchs who came to sit. Okay, and a lot happened, and that wasn't up to now. I don't think they've been able to fish out the miscreant that did that mayhem over the monarchs that sat and lost their lives. Now, if you look at this very critically, you don't. It's not something you gamble. You don't try it. Life is one. So if they say there's security challenges and the government is assuring you that there's security challenges, wisdom, there's security that's been, the challenges have been resolved. Wisdom demands that you watch in 3D. Okay, don't be the first person to go home without, because the truth of the matter is Nigeria generally is that might not necessarily be most, well, for that of Imo State and South East generally is a case of Freemason and the Kano agitation as they sit at home, that may have actually influenced it. If not, generally Nigeria, it's going through a lot when it comes to the issue of insecurity, and Nigerians do need prayers. But to say they should come home when they are not sure of any security things modalities put up in place, no wise person would do that. Well, I guess that's going to wrap it up. Let's put in that comment section. Do you agree with what Governor Hope was saying, or do you think Nigerians should be more wise?